been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine, you'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch.
So guys, this is how this wig looks, and for this style, especially if you try the glueless wigs and you feel like the sides are like lifting, you can always apply glue on the side, just this part and this other part, just to make it stick on your forehead. And then I've done the baby hair, and this is how it looks. Again, you really don't have to do the sidebands, you can just put them behind the ears, because you can see this part is lifting. So what I'm going to do for the with this, I'm going to apply some glue just on the side. So this is how it looks, and if you see any white parts, you can always apply a pencil. Apply a pencil on any white part that you see. It makes it look more natural, or you can apply foundation, but I always advise to just use an eye pencil like that. It kind of makes it look more natural. So this is how it looks, guys. Just comment down below if you love this style.